This free AI software will create all your marketing assets in minutes. Watch this. Hey Ethan, create me a landing page.
Yes, boss. What is the name of your product or business?
Clogbusters.
How will you describe this product?
A plumbing company in Oklahoma.
Okay, boss. Give me a few seconds while I get your page ready. I'm writing the copy, designing the layout, searching for royalty-free images, optimizing for conversion. All done. Your landing page is ready, sir.
Wow, this is awesome. Thank you, Ethan.
You are welcome, boss. One more thing to note. You can edit any of the sections. You can drag and drop new sections. You can rewrite the copy of any section with full customization of a powerful page builder.
Wow, what else can you do for me?
Everything, sir. And when I say everything, I mean everything. I can help you write marketing copy, emails, and ads. I can help you design logos, business cards, and banners. I can help you create promo videos. I can write a full blog post in seconds. Just give me the topic. I can brainstorm social media content like captions and carousels. I can help you with marketing ideas, marketing angles, and viral ideas for your product. I can write marketing scripts and turn them into voiceovers. I can help you remove an image from the background. I can respond to your reviews. I can answer any question on Quora to help build authority. I can help you write a book, course, case study, product reviews, white paper, business model canvas, resume. I can write anything. I have mastered over 1,000 design, marketing, and writing skills. With me, no mission is impossible. Just tell me what you want in a few words, and then watch me do the magic. Do you need me to do anything else for you?
Write me a blog post.
What topic?
Any ideas?
For a plumbing business, I will suggest these topics.
No, try again.
How about these topics?
Perfect. Hey Ethan, write a blog post on the topic 3 warning signs that you need to call a plumbing company.
Any keywords you want me to optimize for?
Plumbers, Oklahoma.
Okay, writing your blog post now. Done, sir.
Wow, this is indeed the future of marketing. Sign up for a free account at marketingblocks.ai and let this futuristic AI create all your assets for you in minutes. Rush and create a free account while it's still free. Click the button below to sign up now.